A resident of Lorimer's Trelawney is this evening seeking answers from the National Works Agency after her property was used to construct a roadway without a formal agreement. The woman claims that in addition to not being paid for the use of her land, she's also suffered damage during the works carried out by the NWA. We have the details from Prince Moore.
This is what remained of a section of the Lorimer's main road after Hurricane Melissa, a collapse resembling a fracture created by a major earthquake. The decision was taken to realign the road and take it through Cynthia Watt's yard. She told TVJ News that a discussion was held with representatives of the National Works Agency NWA for her land to be used to reopen the road. But she says there was no formal agreement and she is yet to hear how she will be paid.
He decided to give me $3.2 million. Until now, I don't see them bring any come.
She says the representative from the National Works Agency proceeded to cut the roadway through her property, even without confirming how or when she will be remunerated.
He came and just hot and start. Measure up place and how the road fi fix and all them something there. Almost night he came here. So I said to him, say, how this going go? Because me things them in Colorado man same time because he came with the Rada people, 2 of them. And he said to them, say they must start write down what and what me have on the place. And they start to write down, ask me what and what I have planted on it, and tell them.
With the takeover of the property, Ms. Watt says several crops were destroyed by the NWA, which further affected her earnings.
I have banana, I have ginger, I have scallion, I have thyme, I have grapefruit. Me have the curry ginger, what they call it again? What they call it? Turmeric, right. I hit more up underneath that all dirt, you see this.
She told TVJ News that she had plans for her son to use the land to construct his house. She showed us building material, some of which were damaged. Community Relations Officer for the National Works Agency's Western Region, Janelle Ricketts, was unable to address the issue of payment for use of the property.
But just to say that we continue to have dialogue with the property owner, we in short order will be able to update her. But in terms of payment, I can't speak to that right now.
Ms. Ricketts, however, says a temporary arrangement was made between the NWA's technical team and the property owner.
It's not that a situation where we have bought the property. It's a temporary situation to facilitate ease of movement of road users until the permanent fix in terms of reconstructing that section of the roadway. It's a temporary arrangement.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.
Now coming up in this newscast, Ukraine to talk with US and Russia about ending the war. We'll be right back.